Today we're diving into the Greenhouse Hoops Garden Hoops set, a premium choice for gardeners looking to elevate their plant protection game. This kit, featuring 75 pieces of 8-foot-long fiberglass rods, is designed for creating a sturdy, protective tunnel over your raised beds. The hoops are made from upgraded solid fiberglass, ensuring they are both strong and flexible, able to withstand repeated bending without breaking. The included metal connectors are corrosion-resistant, promising durability and long-term use. The full protection offered by these hoops is impressive. They shield your plants from harsh weather conditions such as frost, snowstorms, heavy rain, and intense sunlight. Beyond weather protection, these hoops help deter birds, pests, and insects, making them a versatile addition to any garden. They can also extend your growing season, giving your plants a better chance to thrive by delaying the harvest or protecting them during early growth phases. Setting up these hoops is straightforward. Begin by wearing gloves and using the metal tubes to connect the fiberglass rods. Insert the pointed ends of the hoops into the soil and secure them in place. Once assembled, cover the tunnel with garden cloth and secure it with the provided clamps. This design ensures that the hoops stay in place and the tunnel remains sturdy, even in adverse conditions. The kit includes 25 fiberglass rods, 20 metal connectors, 16 greenhouse clamps, a pair of gloves, and a thermometer. The adjustable nature of these hoops allows for customization in height according to your needs, and the open bottom design helps prevent waterlogging around your plant's roots. This comprehensive set is perfect for anyone passionate about gardening, offering excellent protection for flowers, vegetables, and other plants.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.